Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're in Ayia Napa, and I want to update you on Adams Beach Hotel undergoing more refurbishment. Last year they had a brand new floor, brand new restaurant at the top. Look out for videos. We went up at that restaurant, had a delish meal. They had a brand new refurbished area, and this year they're having something else done. Let's go and have a look around, shall we? So we have got to be extra careful today. Last time I did a little update for you guys, I did walk into the new restaurant. I do believe it's going to be a brand new restaurant, but today we have got cement mixers and we've got cement pumps. There it is there. So we don't want to go up in the new restaurant area. It's very dangerous. We've got to be careful. So we're going to go round this time. We'll go round the cement mixers and see what else is going on. Now don't forget guys, everything's going to be finished by the beginning of the season. Normally it is. The contractors have to finish by the beginning of the season. So they're really cracking on with this job. Before there was a mud here, a ramp of mud, that's all gone. Looks like the plasters are in, cement mixers are in, doing the new roof up the top. I'll work my way round the cement mixer and the cement pump. Loads of rebar here for the new area. Let's go round the car park. Lots and lots of people working in this hotel at the moment. And as I said, last year they built all this area here, all brand new, within the time schedule. So compared to last year's building project, this is a doddle. Of course, the whole of the buildings left alone. We've just got the new restaurant area on the left hand side. Look out for previous videos. I did manage to get in the previous videos. And can you see guys, all the hotels left alone? You see, there it is there, all left alone. Now this area here, this is the brand new area. We've got cladding and everything, and as we work our way round, we have got tiles, new tiles. That's for the reception. There it is, beautiful tiles by the looks of it. So this year, brand new reception, a brand new restaurant, and that's about it guys. And a brand new sort of car park area here at the front. I think we're going to have some water features by the looks of it. They've left the palm trees up, that's good, and I think this is going to be a lovely water feature. And we can see the reception area there. There it is, that's all been taken down now. And of course we'll have a brand new ceiling up here. All the tilers are in, all the plasterers are in, so loads and loads of work going on. There we are, and I'll go around the front and show you that they haven't touched the actual hotel itself. There it is, they haven't touched the hotel. Just the front bit here, the reception And of course that new restaurant, yeah, well, it looks like we're going to have a new water feature here at the front. So loads going on in Adams Beach, not as much as last year, and we'll keep you updated later on in the year, guys. Maybe in about 3 or 4 weeks time we'll come back when the tilers have started putting down the tiles, and that's when it gets really exciting, when all the tiles go down. And it looks like the rendering started here at the front as well. So there we are, a little project in Adams Beach, a little update for you as well, guys. Let me remind you, it will be finished in time for the beginning of the season. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.